Hey guys, in this video, we're going to discuss how much money do you need to start Fidelity investments. Now, okay, you can come here, click open an account, and if you are a customer or not, you choose here. Now, for a standard brokerage account at Fidelity, there's no minimum deposit requirement to open the account. But if you're going for, let's do just for me, if you're going for an investment option, for example, certain mutual funds, index funds, things like that, there are no minimum investment amounts. Okay. For example, Fidelity has the zero index fund that have no investment minimums. And if you want their robo advisor service, which is basically Fidelity Go, right? For that one, you can open an account with no minimum to start, and the investable minimum is around $10 to begin investing with the robo service. Okay. So if you are doing certain managed account types like full advisory services or special strategies, they may be higher minimums. For example, they have Fidfolios. Fidfolios is a professionally managed portfolio, and these require minimum investment of $5,000. So it depends on what type of account you're going for. Okay? That is what it's contingent on. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.